Wow, your voice is incredible. Hey yo, what's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So you guys already know the reason why you've clicked on this video. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. She goes by the name of Justyna Steczkowska. And the song that she'll be doing is called GAJA, Polish Pre-Selection Eurovision 2025. One question, do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's go.
Twego ja, duszy zgubą twoim oceleniem w krwiobiegu.
She's gorgeous, bro.
Święta woda zmywa przeznaczenie. They call me Gaia. I'm the love, I'm the life of all imagined. The world draws as it watches me cry. I be holding in close in my
Wow, your voice is incredible. Your music is enjoying. Nice! Nice one, nice one. Fascination. That was terrific. That was really terrific. A beautiful music. I gotta say, she did well. She did extremely well. And I'm looking forward to see her in that competition. So guys, please subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you guys there. Peace.